Namaskara. We are Siddeshwara Dairy Farm, Gir Cow Farm. Gir cow breed. The origin of the breed is in the Gir forest region and surrounding districts of Saurashtra, region of Gujarat state. It is a moderate to a large size breed. The body color is shining red to spotted white. Skin is soft, thin and glossy. They love to be with humans. We are an organization engaged to conserve and promote Gir cow breeds. The Gir cows are kept in an open space and only the organically grown feed, green fodder, is given with no use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers. The hump in Vedic cows has a specific vein called Surya Ketu vein. On interaction with solar rays, produces gold salts in her blood. These salts are present in the cow's milk and cow's other bodily fluids. Just because of that, the Vedic cow milk, butter and ghee has golden hue. The milk of Gir cow contain A2 proteins that are best for your body, mind and soul. A2 protein helps fight against diseases and disorders like joint pain, obesity and asthma. Gir cow milk contains high level of omega-3, helps regulate the blood vessels. Gir cow milk is rich in other elements such as amino-3 fatty acid, helps improve fitness and vitality. Cerebrocytes help in brain development. Conjugated linoleic acid, useful in fighting the diseases like cancer, diabetes and heart attack. Benefits of Gir Gaumata ghee. Ghee of Gir Gaumata breeds has curative properties and is known to cure 111 kinds of human diseases. We prepare desi ghee by traditional method. This Vedic method is the best process to prepare desi ghee. Desi ghee is regarded as symbol of wealth, prosperity and health of a family. No machines and no chemicals are used. Siddeshwara Dairy Farm, Kamalapura Village, Hospete Taluk, Bellary District. Contact 98451 93161.